the season finale, the last episode, whatever you would call this was very amazing. I mean, from the drama, through the romance, through the comedy. It was just off the wall, one of the best episodes I've seen. I mean, even though Chisoge did not know what the hell she was doing at some point, but she actually knew what she was doing at other points, and how Sue kept remixing the play, and just how Raku just executed it perfectly at the end. From the awkward with Sugumi just going crazy, I could tell like she actually secretly went in love with him. From Rika telling him that she really loved him even though they were brothers and sisters. Irregular at Magical High School, but anyway, it was amazing. A very, very good, very decent, amazing, cruising for a great anime. I really enjoyed it, and even at the end when Raku just did that play for Kosaki, who was actually saddened due to the fact that she didn't get a chance to beat Julia due to the fact that she sprained her ankle, he actually made his own play for her, which was very sweet, very amazing of him to actually do that, and actually earned him actual points for being an actual good character due to the fact that he actually stepped up and looked out for that girl like that. Good job. Good job. Like I said, I really enjoyed this episode. I'm looking forward to season 2 if there is a season 2. I know people read the manga, but I don't read the manga every anime, so I like to be surprised in some cases because, reading the Naruto manga actually spoiled a lot of stuff. And, I actually was victim to getting spoiled by the actual manga, so I like to look at the actual anime and enjoy the character, the facial expression. If you haven't seen this anime, check it out. I always include every anime I look at in the description below, so you can check down in the description below and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out of here. Peace out.